Hello friends, welcome to our channel versus 2 words 3 minutes forever knowledge. Is India a republic country or a democratic country? We celebrate both Independence Day and Republic Day. So you think they are different? That's right. Then what is the difference? Come on, let's check into today's topic, democracy versus republic. The preamble of Indian Constitution clearly states it is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Democracy is a Greek term which means people's rule. It is a form of government by people in which supreme power is vested in the people exercised directly or indirectly through them. So the two forms of democracy are direct democracy and indirect democracy. Less democratic countries like Switzerland have direct democracy where all the people come together at one place and decide what to do. India having huge population cannot do that. So it chose indirect democracy where people vote and the elected representatives join at a place and decide what to do. A republic is a Latin term which means public affair. It is a form of government in which the country is considered as a public matter, not a private asset of rulers. It is attained by democracy or oligarchy or mix of both. It's opposing to the monarchy principle which sticks to hereditary and one-man rule. Example of absolute monarchy is Saudi Arabia. Japan, Britain are constitutional monarchies. Democracy is the rule of citizens. Here it is the wish of majority people. There are no safeguarding rules required to protect minority people in democracy. Popular will is established in the country with democracy. Example, if the majority of citizens in power decide which is not acceptable by the minority community, still they can do that. Like Hitler. As stated by Abraham Lincoln, democracy is the government of the people, for the people and by the people. So, the source of power is people, which is majority. In simple terms, it can be stated as mob rule. Republic is the rule of law. Safety of minorities is protected through rights to individuals. Popular will can be implemented within the framework of the Constitution, safeguarding everyone's rights. Source of power is Constitution. Benjamin Franklin stated democracy as two wolves and a lamb voting on what to have for lunch. Democracy is a governance of majority people who overrule the minority needs, leading to mob rule, resulting in clashes and instability. Hence, Constitution is the extra layer of protection to the democratic nation, safeguarding everyone with what to do and what not. In simple terms, we can state that before elections it is democracy where representatives are elected, and after elections it is the republic where elected representatives have to work within a constitutional framework. So, 15th of August 1947 is the Independence Day celebrated for independence to this nation from British, while 26th November 1949 Constitution was adopted, but 26th January 1950 is the day when the Constitution came into force, that is Republic Day. From that day, every Indian is safeguarded with rights. Hope you are clear now. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up, which motivates us to make more videos. Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.